Alright, so I'm going to show you a very cool square root technique. A very cool square root trick. But it's not universal. This is just for a specific scenario. Okay? So, here is a cool trick. Alright? Now let's say in the Pythagorean theorem, c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Yes, that's the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So the sum of a squared and b squared is also equals to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay? So we know that. Or in other words, c is equals to square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay? We know that. So, what if a is equals to b? So, here is the thing, okay? Here's the trick. If a is equals to b, then c is equals to the square root of a squared plus b squared. And that will lead to a or b square root of 2. A or b square root of 2. I said a or b because a is also equals to b and b is equals to a. It's the same thing. They're going to be the same thing. So it will always yield to this multiplied by the square root of 2. Let me verify. Let me show it. Let me show it to you. Now we were asked to get the hypotenuse if length A is 12 and length B is also 12. So what's 12 squared? That's 144. Yes, I memorized the perfect squares. So let's verify in case I'm wrong. It's got to be 144, right? So 4, 2, okay, 2, that's 4, 4. Okay, so it is 144, I'm correct. Yippee. Okay, 144 plus 144. Gotta put a square root in there now. Okay, so that's technically 144 multiplied by 2. So 4, 8, 8, and 2. So 288. 288. Square root of 288. Okay. We know now, right? That's square root of 288. Now let's simplify this. That's technically 12 square roots of 2. That's 12 square root of 2. Just simplifies to that. See? 12 square root of 2. Now let's verify here using a scientific calculator. We're going to verify using a scientific calculator. So, 12 squared plus 12 squared. It holds true. It holds true. Now let's have another example. Let's have another example, shall we? 15 squared plus 15 squared. Get the hypotenuse. Alright? C is equals to C. So that's technically 15 times 15. 25. 5 is 7. 15. 5. 8, 9, 7. 8, 9, 10. 225. 15 squared is 225. $225 plus 225, so that's 225 times 2, 5, 10, 4, 5, 2, 5, 450. So it's 450. So square roots of 450 is also equals to 15 square root of 2. That's technically 15 square root of 2. All right. Okay. Now let's verify again. 15 squared plus 15 squared holds true once again. So if you're facing a similar situation where you have to get the square roots of 15 squared and 15 squared, or a squared plus b squared, where a is equals to b and b is equals to a, that situation, then it turns into a multiplied by square root of 2. Doesn't matter which one, a or b, they're equal, okay? So, again, if a is equals to b, then the square root of a squared plus b squared is equals to a square root of 2. It's always that. If a is equals to b, then a squared plus b squared, the square root of that, is equals to a square root of 2. That is our trick. I hope this video became finds the video. I hope the video finds it helpful for you. I hope this is helpful for you, so that you don't have to rely much on the scientific calculator, because yeah, we definitely sometimes use a scientific calculator to get the hypotenuse, since it's really but in the case, in this special case where a is equals to b, it always holds true. Alright, last verification. Time to get even more, let's use bigger numbers. Okay, 96 squared plus 96 squared. What could be the answer of 96 squared plus 96 squared? And then take the square root of the answer. 96 square root of 2? Let's check. Always, and will always be in that form. Okay? It holds true. So, one last verification. One more. 100 squared plus 100 squared. The square root of 100 squared plus 100 squared. Now that one, okay, that's quite concerning. Oh. It's in, okay, same answer. They just don't, simplify that anymore. They just don't simplify it anymore. The calculator, the scientific calculator doesn't simplify numbers up to 100 anymore, but still, the rule still applies. So, there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. So, bye-bye.